Okay, we're in Olympic National Forest on Marymere Falls Trail, and I'll introduce you. We're here with Julianna and my cousin Coire. Hey. This hike is gnarly. So it's actually just 0.75 miles to the falls and 0.75 miles back. I can hear it too. I think I can see it. Wow. There we go. Holy cow. Whoa. Okay. Wow. Okay, come on. We gotta catch up. Okay, the rain's really starting to come down, but I'd still say come in the rain. This hike is amazing, and it's rated the top third waterfall in all of Washington. So I'd say that's about right. Like one of those. My bad. Look at this tree. Thanks. All right. And so now we're in a really cool tunnel at the end. Okay, Juliana, what did you think of the hike? What did you think of the hike?
That was beautiful.
It was beautiful. And Coire, what did you think?
Amazing.
It was. I'd say so too. All right, awesome. Let's see how cold it is. Yeah. Oh, that's chilly.
Are you kidding me? Watching my white shit?
Yeah. Wash your shoes.
Wow, what's that?
It's actually working really well.
Yeah.
That would be a nice polar plunge.